took the stock keycaps off of here and I had put on a new purple set that I had bought on Amazon, and it was the URE profile. I didn't care for it once I put it on there. It was very meh. The sound was alright, but I had kept these switches, which are the stock mint mambo, which aren't bad, don't get me wrong, but I want to try something completely different. I want to try it with these pink switches, the Redragon ink pink. I want to try these, and I want to try a new keycap profile that I've not tried before. This is the KOA profile. They're pretty cute, and there's purple, pink. I think it might go better with the board, and I'm curious to see how this profile is going to feel and sound. The first thing I need to do is remove these switches. I have some mods that I want to try on this, but first I want to see how it sounds with the switches and the new keycaps. I hate a spacebar, so I'm going to put this in the spacebar. I put the Redragon ink pinks in the keys that I use the most, and then I just put back in the mint mambo stock switches in the other areas because I don't really use that very much, so those will barely get touched. And I have my silent switch in the space bar. So let's throw on these keycaps and see how they sound. I really like these keycaps. They are cute. This KOA profile, if you can kind of see from the side, it's pretty much like MOA profile, except there's a deeper scoop in the top. Personally, I like that. Let's do a quick sound test. You can tell the sound difference so much, can't you? The ink pink and these are the stock. So what do y'all think? Do you like the sound of this? What do you think about the ink pink switches and these keycaps? What do you think about this profile? Can you notice anything different between this one and MOA? All right, now this is MOA. These also have a scoop in the top. You see? Well, I guess the KOA does have a more pronounced scoop, even though the MOA has one. I like the scoop better than the flatter tops. I don't know how I feel about this color purple though, with these keycaps. What do you think? Should I change the color? Should I paint this? Next video, I'm going to do some different mods to this that I've never seen before, but I'm very curious about. So come back and we'll do that together. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. It would really help out. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.